In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make coquito, which is like a Puerto Rican version of eggnog, except for there's no eggs in it. Okay, I know a lot of people don't like eggnog or the thought of having eggs in a drink. So we're going to show you how to make coquito. First thing you're going to want to get is a rum. You could get a dark rum, you could get a white rum. I like Captain Morgan. They have a spiced rum that's also white, and it also comes in dark. So whichever you like, but I like this stuff here. Okay, Captain Morgan. Cinnamon sticks, sweet coconut flakes or shredded coconut, pure vanilla extract. Always buy pure. The imitation is not as good, the quality. But if that's all you can find, you can use that. But like I said, pure is the way to go. Sweetened condensed milk, ground cinnamon, evaporated milk, coconut milk, cream of coconut. This is hard to find. You can find it usually near the alcohol section of supermarkets. All the other ingredients, except for the alcohol, you can find in Walmart. But like I said, this stuff here is hard to find. They didn't have it in Walmart, but go to a good supermarket and they'll have it. If you make your coquito and you put it in an airtight container, it can last up to a month in the refrigerator, okay? So, can't see why you would do it that far ahead. Usually when you make it, you're already knocking them back. Take your 2 cinnamon sticks, put it in a glass container, that side. Open your rum, measure out 1.5 cups. Add that to your cinnamon sticks. Like so. And let it sit there and soak up and emulsify. All this flavor from the cinnamon is going to go into the alcohol. You're going to let that sit there for 1 hour. You're going to add your other ingredients to your blender cup. First thing you're going to want to add is your sweetened condensed milk, 14 ounces. A spoon will help out with here, being that this is so thick. You want to make sure you get all this goodness into your coquito. Is 1 13.5 ounce can of coconut milk. Is your evaporated milk, 5 ounces. Next thing you want to add is your cream of coconut, okay? Make sure you buy cream of coconut and not coconut cream, because it's 2 different things. Cream of coconut is made by Goya or Lopez, or this brand here, okay, real. Cream of coconut has coconut and coconut pieces in it. Coconut cream, on the other hand, is just plain coconut, okay? You're gonna shake this well, and you're gonna get 15 ounces of this.
Here's 5. Here's 10.
$15 ounces right there. Half a teaspoon of your nutmeg. Half a teaspoon of your ground cinnamon. Half a teaspoon of your pure vanilla extract. Half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. teaspoon. Next, you're gonna add 4 to 5 tablespoons of your coconut flakes or shredded coconut, whatever you can find.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This doesn't make it the texture gummy or gooey or nothing like that. This is gonna blend real nice and smooth, and it'll make the whole coquito nice and give it a nice texture. This whole thing is gonna make 56 ounces total. This plus your alcohol. So you gotta blend this up right now. You're just gonna hit it pureed a couple times till everything combines nice and smooth, okay? Here we go. One, let everything settle. Let everything settle again, and then hit it. Let everything settle a little bit more. Now that you have all your coconuts mixed up, all your cinnamon, ground nutmeg, you're gonna bring your alcohol plus your cinnamon sticks. You're gonna add it to a container that can hold your 56 ounces, and you're gonna shake it up to combine everything together. You're not gonna blend it no more because now you're putting the cinnamon sticks inside. That just sits inside there and it keeps giving that cinnamon flavor, okay? Okay, in here now, I have the alcohol plus all the coconut mix, airtight container. Cinnamon sticks are still inside. You're gonna give it a real good shake and combine the alcohol and the coconut mix, okay? You can see the coconut sticks floating around. You're gonna put this in the refrigerator for 4 hours before you start drinking it. And during those 4 hours, this watery texture is gonna get thicker, okay? After 4 hours, you could drink it, give it to someone, wrap it with a bow, or you could store it in the refrigerator in an airtight container. This is airtight for up to a month if you wanna make it ahead, okay? Hope this video helped you. Questions, comments, leave them below. I get back to everybody. And if this video did help you, and you did make the recipe and you like it, maybe subscribe because I got many more videos coming out, okay? Hope everyone has a safe and happy Christmas and a happy New Year. Take care.